Hello friends, welcome again, and I am creating this video. This project title is Car Accessories Portal. I have developed in Python Django. So I got many of the requests, many of the students they need some project which has a dual type of UI. Means for admin there is a different UI, for user and there will be a different UI. So we created this project using two different type of UI and both are the bootstrap theme. And also I am using latest version of Python, that Python version is 3.12 and the Django version is 5. So this technology stack I am using for creating this project. So this is a front-end page of the project and project title is Car Accessories Portal. I had developed this project in Python, Django and the MySQL, and I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, some of the jQuery library. Also I have used for giving some good effects inside the project like this you can see, and also you can see there is a slider running on the home page and it's coming from the JavaScript, right? You can see here the categories, you can see all the categories which are coming from the database, and you can search anything from here and you can see all home page. This is all about the home page. This is a about us page. You can see this is a static page, nothing dynamic in this page. This is a products page. You can see all the car accessories products which are coming from the database. Because this is a dynamic page, you can add the number of products from the database. And same for the categories, you can see here 8 categories. You can add the number of categories from the database. This is also a dynamic page, nothing static. This is a user registration page. You can see here user can easily register, and this is a contact us page. You can see this is a static page like a about us, nothing dynamic in this page, and we have integrated a small map here. You can see if you want to buy some products like a foot mat, you can click on the view details. Oh, here this is a restrictions page. Without login you can't access the internal page, or you can't buy the any car accessories. So first you need to log in, right? So user login is customer and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. So you can see this is a user dashboard. This is a you can see total orders, confirmed orders, orders in transit, delivered. You can see important links like a home or all products, all categories, my accounts, and your orders like a order ID, order date. You can see from here. Okay, you can see here the important link. You can easily go from this link on the all products like all categories. Okay, so if you want to buy some products, you can click on the products page, and like a clutch set you want to buy, click on the view details. You can see all the details about the clutch set, like just a product types, name, price and quantity. If you want to buy some like a four clutch set, click on the 4 and click on the add to cart. You can see your cart has been updated, like a name, cost per unit, quantity. If you want to buy 4 items, you can see the amounts gets calculating automatically. Now click on the proceed to checkout for buy. This is a make payment. This is a dummy page, nothing real in this page. You can enter the any number like this. You can number of card like anything, nothing real in this page. You can like a expiry date, you can add the any number in CVV. Click on the make payment. You can see your payment has been done, and this is a order summary page. Okay, you can see. If you want to see your all orders details, click on the my orders. You can see your total orders. If you want to see your order details, now click on the eye icons. You can see your order details from this. If you want to update update his account, or her account, you can click on the my accounts section, and this is a change password. If you want to update your password, you can click on the change password, then you can update your password. So this is all about the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see this is this administration option showing, logout option, and the dashboard option is also showing. If I log out, now you can see the upper menu has been changed for the of because of the session driven. So the system is checking who is logged, so according to that upper menu displaying. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. For admin panel, you need to open the admin. So this is a admin panel. You need to log in, right? So without login you can't access the internal page. So admin and the password stays. Now click on the sign in. Oh, this is a very attractive dashboard. This is a admin dashboard. You can see each and everything from this page, like a total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders, order in transit. You can see quick menu, all products. We have added pagination. Here also you can see available categories, registered customer, all orders, order status. You can see each and everything from this page. So this is a very attractive and great dashboard. If you want to add some products, click on the add products page. You can add the new products from this page. Okay, admin can easily add new products. And this is a product report. You can see all the product report. If you want to edit or delete, you can easily do from here. Now you can do edit. This product has been visible in the edit format. You can see. So you can see all the product reports. If you want, here we can, if you want to, image has not visible, click on the image has been not visible. If you want to see the image, then click on the image. You can see image has been visible. Okay, you can export the data as well as CSV, as well as Excel, as well as PDF. Okay, same for the category. Here admin can easily add the new category from this page. You can see, and this is a category report. You can easily edit and delete from the category report. You can see all the category report from this page. This is a order management page. You can see your all order reports from this page. View items, cancelled, edit. You can do anything from here. And this is a customer management. Here you can add the new customer from this page. And this is a customer report. Same for the same like a products report. You can see all the user report. And this is a change password. Here admin can update his password, and this is a logout. Okay, so this is the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel and also the view of user panel. So we have to develop these two different type of view for the managing this whole project. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any type of enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project car accessories portal according to your new requirements. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.